Today, you will learn how to find the least common multiple, or LCM, of two numbers. A multiple is what you get when you multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, and so on. For example, the multiples of 4 come from 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, and 4 times 4. That gives us 4, 8, 12, and 16. Now let's find the LCM of 4 and 6. First, list the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Next, list the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. A common multiple is a number that appears in both lists. We can see that 12 and 24 appear in both lists. The least common multiple is the smallest shared multiple. Since 12 is the first number both lists have in common, the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. You can also check by dividing. 12 divided by 4 equals 3, and 12 divided by 6 equals 2.